I am a dancer. I am strong. I am beautiful. I am capable of anything. I live my dreams. I am powerful. I am a dancer. Ashe. Call in the power of the sun. Let it wash over you. Figure eights. Just sway your hips in your own way. Brush your arms, torso, legs. Release any energy that's no longer serving you. Tap your body in an organic way that feels soothing and good for you. Shake out the body. Let it all go. done. Bathe in the sun and give yourself some love. Gently work your way down to the ground. We're going to tuck our toes under to help restore our joints. Tap your toes out, and I want you to move into a seated second position. Make sure that your toes are turned out or facing up to the sky so that you can protect your joints. Surrender down to the ground and let your head hang heavy. Vertebrae by vertebrae, I want you to roll up so that your head is the last thing to rise, and then gently walk yourself over to your right side and surrender back down and breathe. Rolling up vertebrae by vertebrae, switch to your other side. Rolling up, we're going to surrender down through center one more time. Make sure your feet are turned out. Take your time and come on up. Shake your legs together into a parallel position and wriggle your body in any way that feels soothing right now. And lift the flesh from your buttocks so that you can have a nice rooted seat to surrender down. Go as far as feels good for you. Slowly roll up and come to a cross-legged position where you're going to surrender down and open up your hips. gently switching sides. Rising up for our final moment in this dancing mantra, bringing your palms one to heart, one to belly, giving yourself some deep breaths, and remembering to tell yourself, I love myself. Thank you for joining me in the land of Soul Vida. Soul is calling in the energy of the sun. Vida is activating the vibrancy of life. I am Ashe, and I am here to bring the light. See you next time.